Buddhāvataṃsaka Flower Ornament Sutra, Chapter 1, The Wonderful Adornments of the Leaders of the Worlds. There were also innumerable space spirits, led by such spirits as pure light shining all around, traveling everywhere deeply and extensively, producing auspicious wind, abiding securely beyond obstruction, broad steps and beautiful topknot, unhindered light flames, unobstructed conquering power, spotless light, deep and far-reaching sublime sound, all-pervading light. Their minds were all free from defilement, broad, vast, clear, and pure. There were also innumerable direction spirits, led by such spirits as dwelling everywhere, ubiquitous light, array of light beams, traveling everywhere unhindered, forever-ending confusion, roaming everywhere in pure space, great sound of cloud banners, topknot and eyes undisturbed, universally observing the doings of the worlds, traveling everywhere watching. They were able, by means of their skills, to emanate light in all directions, always illuminating the 10 directions continuously without interruption. There were also innumerable night spirits, led by such spirits as pure light of universal virtue, observing the world with joyful eyes, everywhere manifesting auspicious omens, everywhere causing tree flowers to bloom, all senses always joyful, producing pure bounty. They all practiced diligently, taking delight in the truth. There were also innumerable day spirits, led by such as displaying palaces, bringing forth the fragrance of wisdom, delighting in superb adornments, exquisite light of fragrant flowers, collecting all wonderful herbs, liking to make joyful eyes, appearing in all places, light of great compassion, radiance of goodness, garlands of beautiful flowers. They all had certain faith in the sublime truth and always strived diligently in concert to adorn the palace. There were also innumerable Titan kings, led by such as Rahula, Bhimachita, skillful magical arts, great following, great strength,